Welcome to Pranavastic. Today we are going to prepare Gongura Pachadi. For this we require Gongura, which I have washed and dried it yesterday itself. And then we require red chilies. According to our taste, we can add red chilies, garlic for tempering, and salt to taste. Here I have taken 5 sticks of Gongura and 40 red chilies and 2 garlic cloves, complete cloves, and salt to taste. Now heat a kadai on the low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Once the oil gets heated, now you can see our oil is heated. Now add red chilies into it. Now saute your red chilies in the oil for few minutes. Now you can see our red chilies are turning black. So now take out these red chilies in a plate. Now in the same oil, add our Gongura in it. Fry these leaves for at least 10 minutes so that it becomes soft and mashy. You can see our Gongura leaves are turning into mashy. Complete all the leaves should become soft and mashy. This entire process should be done on a low flame. Now our Gongura leaves have become soft and mashy. Keep it aside until it cool down. Now let's see our red chilies. You can see that our red chilies is completely cooled down. Now you can add these red chilies in a blender. And now you have to blend it into a fine powder by adding salt to it. Let's add salt to it. Now you can see that our red chilies have turned into a fine powder along with the salt. If you want, you can add rock salt also to it. Now generally people tend to grind Gongura leaves also. Here we are not going to grind Gongura leaves because already these leaves are soft and mashy. To this only we are going to add red chili powder. Now take a stone like this and mash this entire leaf with this. After mashing it with this stone, you can see our gongura pachadi is ready. Now let's add tampering to it. Now take a small tadka pan like this and add 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Once the oil gets heated up, we can add our tampering ingredients to it. Now our oil is heated. Now add 1 teaspoon of rayi. Once the rayi starts spluttering, add garlic to it. And let the garlic fry in the oil for few minutes so that the rawness of the garlic goes away. You can see slightly our garlic color is changing. At this stage, switch off the flame of your tadka pan and let the spluttering completely gets off. You can see slightly our spluttering has also stopped. Now add these ingredients into the gongura pachadi. Now mix these ingredients in the pachadi properly. Now you can see our gongura pachadi is ready to serve. You can have it with rotis, dosas, upma or with hot rice also.
Hi everyone, please watch this video and subscribe and share it.